In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your TurboTax account. If you've misplaced your login credentials or simply can't remember how to access your account, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's navigate to the TurboTax official website. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for TurboTax, which is turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with TurboTax's homepage, where they offer various services to help you file your taxes with ease. Now, once you're on the homepage, your next step is to locate the Sign Up option. This is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. It's important to note that this is where you would normally go if you were creating a new account, but it also serves as our gateway to recovering your existing account. After clicking on Sign Up, you should see a link that reads, I forgot my user ID or password. This is exactly what we're looking for. Go ahead and click on that link. It's specifically designed to help users like you recover or reset their login details if they've been forgotten or misplaced. When you click on that link, you'll be directed to a new page where you can begin the process of recovering your account information. You'll be prompted to enter some details. Typically, this involves providing the email address associated with your TurboTax account. It's crucial to enter the correct email address, as TurboTax will send recovery instructions to this email. Once you've entered your email address, follow any additional prompts provided by TurboTax. These might include answering security questions or confirming your identity in some other way. This is a standard security measure to ensure that only you can access your account. After completing these steps, check your email inbox for a message from TurboTax. This email will contain instructions on how to reset your password or retrieve your user ID. Make sure to follow these instructions carefully. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder, as sometimes important emails can end up there. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully recover access to your TurboTax account. Remember to store your login credentials in a safe place to avoid any future hiccups. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any further questions or run into any issues, TurboTax's customer support is always available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.